Hey guys, welcome back to another What's Sold video. As you can see, the middle Yinzer has joined me. We're going to go through some stuff here and you can see what we sold, what we made a profit on from all the stuff we bought at yard sales and some estate sales and some garage sales. So first, let's get this stuff packed up. Well, that was quick. As you can see, the oldest Yinzer helped me pack everything up. So let's get started with what we sold. First thing we sold was a DeWalt pivoting head flashlight with battery. This was not tested. I found this at the bins, so I probably only have maybe $2 into it, maybe $2.50 max, but it sold for $12.99 plus shipping. Next thing up, it was a previous video we just did. It was up, I think, on Monday. So, yeah, maybe this weekend, but we found all those pogs. Well, guess what? I sold all the tubes the pogs came in. We got $14.75 plus shipping for 10 tubes. We paid $6 or something like that, $6 or $8 for all the pogs in general. We sold all the pogs in lots. We still have a few left, but the tubes are gone. So that was really a good buy. Keep your eyes open for pogs. Next up was a Pittsburgh Penguin blank puck. You guys know I sell pucks a lot. The Penguin ones finally sold. I still have about 23 of the Penguin ones available. Next up was a PS4 Jump Force, brand new game for PS4. It was a standard edition. I picked this up on a YouTube live auction. So I picked that game up and another game up for 18 bucks. I still have the other game available. Got $16.99 plus shipping for that one. Next up, pogs. Sold vintage Pog clear slammers. There was a lot of 9 of them. They went for $5.99 plus shipping. Again, Pogs sell. Pick them up. Next thing we have Nike Golf Dry Fit Tour Performance Gray Shorts size 34. $19.99 plus shipping. Golf shorts right now are hot. Everybody needs them. Everybody's out on the course playing golf. The weather's hot. It's perfect. Next thing we got was the Flipper 2 device. It's a universal remote. Bigger buttons. We paid $3 each for these at a estate sale. We got $12.24 plus shipping for one of them. We still have one more left. Next up was a pink OtterBox Defender rugged protection case. Brand new in the box. We got $3.99 plus shipping. I think we picked this up at a local Goodwill for maybe 50 cents or $1. Sometimes OtterBoxes sell, sometimes they don't. I probably will not pick them up here on out unless it's a really good deal. Then we have a vintage Harley Davidson belt. It's a logo belt size 38. We picked this up for $1 at a local garage sale. $20 plus shipping. Next up, some dress pants, some stretch navy dress pants. They were Kenneth Cole's, 38 by 32, new with the tags. We got $15 plus shipping on those. I want to say we paid like $4 for those, so it wasn't a huge profit, but it was still a good profit. Next up, we have a Callaway 4-way stretch navy shorts 32W, new with tags, but they did have a slight mark on the right leg. So we got $9.99 plus shipping on those. We paid $1 for them, so good little flip. Next up, Xbox 360, the Lego Movie video game, $2.99 plus shipping. We picked this up in a bulk buy. We probably have a quarter or 50 cents into it. We definitely did not make much on that. Next up, the next two things, I'll show them here and somewhere right here. They were the Hour Before Daylight signed Jimmy Carter books. Got these signed at a local appearance that Mr. Carter did, former president. We got $35 each for those plus shipping. Next up was a Nikon 35mm camera body only, no lenses, nothing. Picked this up, guy was moving out of state. He was trying to move everything, so We've already made our money plus some. We got $5 plus shipping on that. The next thing, we finally sold another thing out of our bulk mystery box. This was the Smarty Cat Crinkle Catnip Playmat. Brand new, $3.99 plus shipping. I'm going to do another video about the bulks, I think, at some point. At first, I thought it was an amazing deal. Now I'm not so sure. Next up, we had a buyer out in Hawaii buy some magnets off of us. So we got these magnets at the local Goodwill in a grab bag. They bought the Florida and Ohio magnets for $2 each plus shipping. Next up, we got the P90X Yoga X DVDs. I picked up all the P90X DVDs. I figured, you know what, I'm gonna sell them individually because it looks like I think I'll make more on it that way. Listed these last night. I've already sold one for $4.99. That basically paid for what I paid for the P90X, and I still got about 12 more discs. So we got $4.99 plus shipping on that one. Next up, we love it, Tupperware. This was the cereal keeper with the flip lid, $6.25 plus shipping. Next up, we finally sold a hat from that bulk buy we had. This was a derby cap, the Long Bay Club. It was a blue rope hat. Real nice hat, super cool looking, just something I wouldn't wear. $9.99 plus shipping on that one. We did have one more sale, and I'm going to let the little Yinzer tell you about it. Little Yinzer had a sale today. What did you sell, little Yinzer?
I sold a Super Stitch portable sewing machine. It sold for $7.99 plus shipping, and it went to Yinzer Picker. Thank you so much.
Well, guys, that was all we had for this What Sold video. We had a couple slow days, but then some of the other days just made up for it. Most of these were from the weekend, Friday through Monday, so it was pretty good. We also had another eBay sale, but the person bought it, I packaged it up, canceled. I was like, come on. So if you happen to cancel an item on my thing, I usually block the bidder or block the buyer. Especially, they had zero feedback, but I usually try to give people the benefit of the doubt. But they said they bought it by mistake. I don't know how you buy it by mistake whenever you're clicking, but whatever. Long story short, the auction was canceled, the item's back up, so we're not out any money. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking. Bye.